Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fauzi Hilmansyah, but most of my friends call me Hilman. I am 23 years old and will be turning 24 in November. I was born in Bandung. I am the eldest of three siblings. I am a student of STIS TMB Bandung and majoring in business management. Talking about hobbies and what I'm passionate about, well, I have been an equestrian for about 4 years, specifically for horseback archery. So, there are no days without horse riding for sure. The most important day, the most important things is I'm passionate about becoming a professional in equestrian, the equestrian sport, and also I want to be a coach. Besides being a student, currently I work in the stable MK Equestrian. Located in West Bandung region, I'm in charge in training division as a head coach. My responsibilities include horse grooming, training, and create a curriculum for equestrian training. To begin my daily routines, I wake up early in the morning to prepare the horse while I also need to train the horse a little bit before the horse is used the member. When I have got a leisure time, I usually go to another stable in Cisarua to improve my equestrian skills in jumping and also dressage. I have got one day off in every week and it's on Wednesday. So, Wednesday is kind of my day to go back home and spending time with my family. Additionally, I also help my father with the work. My parents come from Sukabumi and my grandparents are still living there. Every holiday, we usually visit our hometown. The city has a beautiful scenery where it is surrounded by mountain. Can you imagine that you visit the village where there are still garden, farm, or even fishing pool? Since we have a garden full of fruit variety and some of vegetable, we usually go harvesting and it's kind of my favorite things to do. To harvest fruit directly from the tree. Besides harvesting, I also go fishing with my cousin. Sukabumi has several tourism places to go. Yet the most recommended place to visit is Geopark Ciloto. This geopark has been organized by UNESCO. There are some activities from adventure tourists such as rafting, forest trekking, rock climbing, and many more. Geopark Ciloto is located in the western Sukabumi and quite far from the city. It is about 2 hours drive away from the city. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.